My dear students, welcome to APSET Life Sciences 8th platform. Ribosomal subunits associate in the presence of higher concentration of which ions? This is very important bit, magnesium ions. The term incertae sedis in zoology means uncertain status. If any animal or if any group of animals is given uncertain status in taxonomy, then it is called incertae sedis. For example, hemichordates, they are not given a definite status in animal kingdom. Which amino acid gives rise to the synthesis of niacin during metabolism? Tryptophan. Extra amount of heat produced and above the calorie value of foodstuffs when burnt inside the body is called specific dynamic action. Let us go to the next slide. Intestinal absorption of glucose is increased in the presence of thyroxine hormone. Presence of urobilinogen in urine indicates hemolytic jaundice. Presence of bilirubin in urine indicates obstructive jaundice. Direct bilirubin is bilirubin diglucuronide. Bilirubin diglucuronide is direct bilirubin. Abnormal hemoglobin is found in the disorder, namely thalassemia. Indirect bilirubin is the bilirubin that is bound to albumin is called indirect bilirubin. In hemoglobin, if glutamic acid is replaced by valine at 6th position, it results in sickle cell anemia. Ketone bodies are acetoacetic acid, beta hydroxybutyric acid, acetone, all the above is the answer. Protein component of plasma proteins is called apolipoprotein. Cycloperhydrophenanthrene nucleus is present in steroids. This is very important bit. Cycloperhydrophenanthrene nucleus is found in steroids. Starting material of hemoglobin synthesis is succinyl CoA and glycine. Precursor for vitamin D is ergosterol, 7-dehydrocholesterol, both A and B is the answer. Provitamin of vitamin A is carotene, because ergosterol and 7-dehydrocholesterol are the precursors for vitamin D synthesis, whereas retinol is the chemical name of vitamin A. So the provitamin of vitamin A is nothing but carotene. Hypervitaminosis is caused by the excessive accumulation of vitamins. Normally hypervitaminosis is reported only in case of fat soluble vitamins. So here in this given list, only A and D are the fat soluble vitamins. So hypervitaminosis is reported in case of A and D vitamins, hence both A and B are the answers. Vitamin A is essential for visual function, epithelial tissue healing, of course both A and B, because this is responsible for visual function and also epithelial tissue healing. D is the answer. What is the prosthetic group of hemoglobin? Heme. Which amino acid is responsible for buffering action of hemoglobin? Histidine. Histidine amino acid that is present in the hemoglobin is responsible for its buffering action. This is about today's bits. Thank you very much.